What's up, guys? Welcome back to Driving TV. I'm super excited because in today's video, I have prepared for you guys a mini tutorial on first time behind the wheel. Super excited because I know that a lot of you have been asking me, please make a video or make a series of videos of like what to do step by step, like as a first time behind the wheel. And you guys, you asked for it and I'm delivering. So here you go. Here's a mini tutorial. I will be talking about the basics, which is steering wheel, positioning of the hands, legs, body, seatbelt, the mirrors, intersections, the traffic lights, pedals, everything that you need to know in order to be prepared for that first driving lesson that you guys will have. So you guys are familiar with everything and are able to go ahead and practice safely. Now, I did make a video, which I recommend that you guys go watch that one before you watch this one, because the other one is basically me teaching you guys the basic controls of the vehicle, so you guys are familiar with the vehicle before you guys start driving and start learning the basics of driving. With that being said, if you guys are happening to find this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, leave your feedback below. You guys have been doing amazing, excellent with your feedback. I love it. I read each and every comment. So guys, make sure to leave that comment down there. And what can I say? Subscribe if you want to continue seeing more tutorials, because I will be uploading videos daily. That being said, let's get right to it.
So let's do preparing before driving. Before you start driving, it's crucial to make sure that you're properly prepared. First, adjust your seat and mirrors. Make sure you can comfortably reach the pedals and that your knees are slightly bent when the pedals are fully pressed. Adjust your rear view and side mirrors so you have the best possible view of the road behind and beside you. You should see a small portion of your car in the side mirrors for reference. Next, always fasten your seatbelt. It's not only the law, but it's also the first step in making sure that you're safe on the road. Now let's take a moment to quickly go over the car controls again. So, lights, wipers, indicators, and hazard lights, just to make sure that you know where everything is. Okay? So, remember where everything is at and what they do. And of course, like I said before, you can go check out the other video about controls of the car that I made, so you get a better idea. Now let's go to starting the car. So once you're ready, it's time to start the car. So before you do, check your surroundings and make sure it's safe to start. Make sure there's nobody around and you're good to go. Now, make sure the car is in P, park. If you have an automatic transmission, it's going to be in P, parked. And if it's in neutral, it's because you're driving on manual. Now, make sure that your parking brake is engaged. Start the engine. Insert the key or press the button, the start button, while keeping your foot on the brake at all times. Once the engine is running smoothly, then you can release the parking brake slowly. All right, so let's move on to the basic maneuvers. To move forward, shift into drive, which is D for drive and automatic. This is for automatic. And now, first gear for a manual. Gradually release the brake and gently press the accelerator. Always look around for any obstacles or pedestrians before moving. Now, for steering, hold the wheel with both hands, typically at 9 and 3 o'clock positions. Keep your movements smooth and steady to maintain control of the vehicle at all times. When it's time to stop the car, gradually press the brake pedal to come to a smooth stop. Always look in your mirrors and check your surroundings before stopping, just to make sure that it's safe. Now, when it comes to turning is an essential part of driving. Always use your indicators to signal your intentions to other drivers. So turn on your indicator about 100 feet before you make your turn. As you approach the turn, slow down. turn the steering wheel smoothly, and accelerate gently as you come out of the turn. This helps you maintain control and make sure that you have a smooth turn. Now, changing lanes. When you need to change lanes, follow these steps. 1. You check your mirrors. Look in your rear view and side mirrors to make sure the lane is clear. 2. You signal. Use your indicator to signal your intention to change lanes. 3. Check your blind spot. Quickly look over your shoulder to check your blind spot for any vehicles you might not see in your mirrors. And 4. Change lanes. If it's safe, smoothly steer into the new lane. Do not forget to turn off your indicator once you've completed the lane change. Most of the times, the indicator will alone automatically change on its own and you don't have to worry about it. Now, let's go on to handling intersections. So, approaching intersections is tricky, but you must always approach with caution. So, number 1, traffic lights. So, obey all traffic signals. Slow down as you approach a red light or a stop sign. Stop signs. Come to a complete stop at a stop sign and proceed only when it is safe. And the right of way, which is yield to pedestrians and other vehicles that have the right of way. Those are the key and most important things to remember when it comes intersections, right? So traffic lights, stop signs, and right of way. Now, practicing safe driving habits. So it's important to develop safe driving habits from the beginning. Always keep a safe distance from the car in front of you, typically a 3-second gap. This gives you enough time to react if they need to stop suddenly. Now, obey speed limits at all times and adjust your speed for road conditions. Speeding reduces your reaction time and increases the severity of accidents. So be careful. Be aware of your surroundings as well. Constantly check your mirrors and blind spots to stay informed about the traffic and what's going on around you. Stay alert and avoid distractions like mobile phones and any other thing. When you're driving, just focus on your surroundings and driving safely. Handling emergencies. So, if you feel nervous while driving, find a safe place to pull over and take a few deep breaths, right? So, let's say also you don't feel good or something happened. It's an emergency. The best thing you could do is just find a safe place to pull over. It's okay to take a break if you need to. When dealing with road hazards, slow down and be prepared to stop. Keep both hands on the wheel and avoid sudden movements to maintain control. If an accident happens, stay calm and check for injuries first. Move your vehicle to a safe location if possible and exchange information with the other driver. Call the authorities if needed. Now, practice makes perfect. This one is a must. This one is very important. Start your practice in a safe environment, like an empty parking lot or a quiet street. This allows you to practice basic maneuvers without the pressure of traffic. As you gain that confidence, gradually increase the complexity of your practice environments. So try busier streets and eventually highways to build your skills. Everything is slow, step by step, no rush. Take your time and do what you feel comfortable with doing. Consistency is the key though. Try to practice on a regular basis to build and maintain your driving skills. Driving for the first time can be indeed nerve-wracking, but with practice and patience, you will gain the confidence and skills that you need to be a safe driver. Now, remember to always stay focused, follow the rules of the road, and be kind to other drivers and patient with other drivers. With that being said, this video has come to an end. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.